Hello my little crafties, welcome back to my channel. How you all been doing? So today I'm making May journal. I know it's quite late for it, but I'm sorry I just couldn't, you know. So I'm using my handmade Kawaii Journal Supplies in these videos. I have uploaded tutorial for all these videos. You can check on my channel. I had really fun making these Kawaii Journal Supplies. They are really cute to use. I like this cute Kawaii sticker book. So versatile to use. I love how colorful these supplies are, like of pastel shades and bright colors also. I hope you enjoy the video and get some ideas for your own journaling too. I have all the tutorial videos on my channel and I'm using all the handmade supplies only. I had really fun making this May journal and I loved it how it turned out. So bright, so colorful, so cheerful for the month of May. I'm using these Kawaii washi tapes to decorate it even more. Now the final look is this. Lovely, isn't it? Just so pretty and colorful. And I have added some quotes and monthly goals also too for it. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more such videos.